we'll quickly discuss about the BTP, the first of all what is BTP, and first of all what is Rise with SAP, what is the purpose, what are the key components in the Rise with SAP, and also what are the deployment models, pricing models, and also we will discuss about the differences. Also, we will discuss about the licensing pricing model list of the BTP services and the our course related topics, which topics we are going to discuss, all the administration related topics which we are related to the technical team like administration part, which we will discuss. So those things we will cover in the demo session here. So many of members aware of what is BTP. Also, maybe you may heard about the Rise with SAP, right? So what is Rise with SAP? What is the purpose of Rise with SAP here? So Rise with SAP is a bundled of subscription, right? It's Rise with SAP is one of the subscription offering package providing by SAP that helps companies to transform their business to intelligent enterprises, cloud related intelligence enterprises here. So that it will simplifies and accelerate the digital transformation journey. It's kind of a normally SaaS style, SaaS model, software as a service model here. To so SaaS style access to access the S4HANA and related tools here. Sir, Rise with SAP, that is fine. So Rise with SAP, it's a business transformation offering package that you are telling now, but it simplifies the companies to move to the cloud. Suppose if the organization, so if they have the from projects, some systems, they are using the ERP, they want to move to the cloud, especially S4 on a cloud, by providing the bundle of packages to the services, softwares and support SAP is providing to the customers. That's why, so all the customers slowly they are started migrating to the moving to the Rise with SAP. Why? Because as part of the Rise with SAP offering, they are the one license, one contract based concept, one license, one contract based concept. They are offering the some packages here, right? So it's not a new product version. It's not a like a Rise with SAP is a new SAP product version. It's a cloud based subscription based model here, right? So normally we know like suppose anything new comes like so it's a SAP one of the product like ECC, S4 HANA, BW, how CRM, SRM, how we have the products. People will think like Rise with SAP and BTP are the new SAP. So it's kind of a systems. So it's not the system. It's a cloud-based offering model, platform-based models, and also subscription-based models they are offering here. So in a traditional software, we have the licensing, traditional software licenses, but it's not the traditional software licenses here. So they have designed it to the suppose the customer wants to move to their ERP systems to the cloud. Customer wants to move to the ERP systems to the cloud, then they can leverage the subscription based model and they can go for the Rise with SAP. In the Rise with SAP, SAP is providing the S4 HANA cloud package so that here what we do as part of this customer is transformation, transferring from their ERP systems to the cloud. What is our basis team responsibilities are here, right? And also they are not in the Rise with SAP and BTP, they are not using the traditional software license. They are using the traditional software licenses. It's a subscription based pricing model. There is a subscription based pricing model we have here, right? So that is the one of the important thing here. So what are the key components? That's are you are telling like there is common words, Rise with SAP and BTP and S4 on a cloud. So there are some technical migration services. You are telling some multiple kind of things. Sir, we are about confusing this part. Can you explain more about the so this kind of like offering package here, right? So in the Rise with SAP, so someone joined. Yeah, thank you. Someone admitting. So thank you. So it's a they are the key components. They are the some key components in the Rise with SAP here. What they are providing, as I mentioned here, one subscription, one license. You can access the full functionalities of the SAP here. So what are the key components here, right? So here the key components like it's a S4 HANA cloud, either public or private cloud here. It's a core ERP here, right? The second key component in the Rise with SAP is the SAP BTP here. The third one is called the BPI, Business Process, Business Process, so intelligence, Business Process Intelligence here. The fourth one is called the BNS, BNS, Business Network Starter Packet here, BNS here, the supplier collaboration tools. The fifth one we will call it as the some of the technical migration services also they are providing migration services who wants to migrate their systems to the the Rise. So there is a technical migration services here. So the S4 on a cloud, it's kind of a core ERP. It's a core ERP systems here. Suppose, sir, my customer already they are in the ECC systems. They want to go for the Rise. Why? Because in the on-premise or some other private clouds, so private clouds they have the some licensing, separate support team, and also some maintenance activities. There the multiple teams coordination, everything is required here. So in this case, if they go with the Rise with SAP, so here the SAP will provide the all the support, all the one license, all the futures and everything you can able to access it here. They will provide the Fiori Launchpad access. Then you can use that Fiori Launchpad access to access the services here. That is the main important thing here. So S4 on a cloud here, they can provide the main thing here. So in that, in the Rise with SAP, BTP is one of the key component here. Even though the people move to the Rise with SAP, they should use the BTP related some of the application services tools. They have to use it here. Why? Because BTP, the SAP is providing is like a platform as a based concept, platform as a service based concept. They are providing to the extensions, some of the integration, some of the analytics, AI core related services, databases they are providing in this platform. So even though the customers moves to the S4 HANA cloud in the Rise, they need to use the BTP services here. BTP services, they have to use it here. So that is the BTP. I will go more details in the another few minutes. I will go the more details about the BTP. Why? Because our main session is on the BTP only. So before that, so I just so inform just about the discussing about the BTP is which component here, right? Next one is the BPI, Business Process Intelligence. This will be analyze, optimize the business process here. And also the BNS is kind of the supplier collaboration tools, Ariba, some kind of collaboration tools here. These are the some technical migration tools SAP is providing. SAP is providing here technical migration tools SAP is providing, that is for the conversion related activities here. Suppose, sir, who will use this? Who are the target audience for the Rise with SAP and whatever the concepts you are telling? Who is the persons, the companies who wants to move from the legacy ECC to the cloud-based S4 HANA? They are that customers they can use the so this Rise with SAP or BTP related services they can use it here, right? And also the directly the organization, the business, the customers who are looking for cloud-based and also all-in-one transformation package, they can use this Rise with SAP concept. They can use it here. So it's like a subscription-based model. Suppose like deployment model. If I talk about the what is the deployment model means here, it's a subscription-based model. Subscription. It's offered as a subscription-based model here. Based upon the subscription, you can get the so all the futures, all the so technologies, tools, and everything here. And also it's hosted on the SAP data centers here. It's hosted on the SAP, and also we can also use the hyperscalers. We can also use the hyperscalers here. Hyperscalers means so AWS, Azure, and also GCP, all or heck HANA Enterprise Cloud. They can also use the HANA Enterprise Cloud here. That is also they can use it here. So that is the main thing here, the deployment model here. In that, so let's start discussing about the, so in the regular classes, we can discuss more about the core basis related activities, what we do in the Rise with SAP concepts. Sir, my customer is moving to the Rise. What are the basis team responsibilities we do? So then what is our action items? So then what we have to do it in the Rise? Then what are the pros and cons that we discuss? But let's start main discussion about the BTP here, right? Because our primary, the main thing which we are going to learn about the BTP related things here. So what is BTP here, right? So BTP, it's a kind of a technology layer that provides the bundles of tools, services, and also the analytical tools for the application developments, and also the databases, analytics, integration related services, and also the AI ML related capabilities. All are in the one single platform that can help business to extend or enhance their SAP and non-SAP solutions here, right? It's not a new word actually, BTP. It's a BTP is a not a, it's a platform as a service concept is a not a new word. The word is that they have rebranded their product, but the concept is SAP they have introduced in the Jan 2021 Jan 2021 SAP introduced a Jan 2021 SAP introduced a so SAP introduced a unique and powerful solution is called the BTP. The abbreviation of the BTP is like a the business technology platform. So in Jan 2021, SAP rebranded their product. They have introduced this called the so BTP here. It's a technical foundation. Nowadays, it's a BTP is a nowadays it's a technical foundation for the entire SAP ecosystems, and it's playing a very critical role for the all the customers and partners. It's playing a very critical role for the all the customers and partners here, right? That is the main important thing here, right? Sir, who will go for the BTP? Who are the applicable for go to the BTP here? Rise with SAP BTP, right? Which is one of the part only. But who will go? So suppose new customers. Suppose let's take the first of all, let's take the new customers here, right? There is an organization who wants to build a cloud-based solution, some mobile solutions they want to build it here. In these solutions, they need to integrate multiple systems. They need to automate the multiple business complex process. So they need to integrate some of the analytics, some databases they required. In that case, directly they can use the BTP related services and solutions. They can use it here. It's providing the platform as a base, as it's a platform layer for the customers. So what about the new? What about the other customers here? So new customers here. Sir, what about the existing customers? Yes, it's applicable for the existing customers also here. It's applicable for the existing customers also here. So, and on existing SAP customers who wants to build a cloud solution, existing customer mean they are already in the either in the private cloud or in their on premises, they have already SAP solutions here. So they want to extend their solutions to the cloud. They want to build a cloud-based solutions. Maybe example S4 HANA, FXS Factors, Ariba. In that case, the customers needs to services, some services they need for the seamless integration between their on-prem systems to the cloud. So in that case, they can also go for the BTP. The overall, who will get benefit because of the BTP means the existing customers and the new customers both will get the benefit. Sir, how they get benefit? Say entire both the scenarios, The organization wants to build a one cloud solution with minimum effort, low cost, and also the faster time to gain the market. They don't prefer to spend the money, time, and things to landscape setup in installations, configurations, maintenance, right? Why? Because nowadays, if you want to go with the one ERP installation, you need to procure the hardware. You need to go for the tendering. One company will win the tendering concept. Then they need to go for the hardware procurement. Then OS licenses, hardware licenses. Then they need to go for the DB licenses. Then on top of they have to install the applications, application licenses, separate support team, separate hardware team, separate maintenance team, OS team, all those things. There is a lot of time, and also it's a it's a configuration, maintenance support. It's a continuous support. We have to provide it. But here SAP is providing everything in their premises here without their support, without the external support teams and everything, which means our basis kind of activities are reducing here. It's not like the fully they have removed it. So some kind of the routine activities, some kind of support activities got in-house by SAP here, right? That's what I got it from. So by working on some of the real-time cases, some of the activities are in-house by SAP here, right? So they don't pay, so that's why the customers also going with the rise with SAP. So in the both the cases, it's a BTP is providing the one stop shop for all your need. Whatever you require, one stop shop for all your need. Whatever you require, all your need. So which means whatever you require, it's as a BTP. They have all the solutions are offering. It's a offering from all the requirement, whatever the customer requirement. So it's everything is available here. It's a portfolio of the SAP solutions and services they have brought under one umbrella. In under one umbrella, how we have the tools, services, everything is available here, right? So monitoring related services, some of the analytics related services, some of the application development, AI related, some of the automation, some of the chatbots, some of the intelligence related, some of the analytics related, some of the databases, many bundles of services they have available in the BTP layer level. It's a platform as a service-based concept SAP introduced here. It's kind of a ready-made kitchen. It's kind of a ready-made kitchen here. It helps to business to focus on the business. SAP BTP helps you to focus on the business here. So that is the main thing here. Sir, where can I see all the listed services, solutions, tools, whatever you said, like everything is providing by BTP? Where can I see? Before that, let's talk about the in the initially starting of the BTP. I mentioned, right, it's not a new product, right? So it's not a new term. It's not a new concept. SAP entered into the market in the 2012 itself. SAP entered a platform as a SAP entered a PaaS market here in the 2012 itself. SAP entered a PaaS market here. That time they have the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. SAP NetWeaver Cloud. The code name is called the Neo. 2012 itself they have entered into the PaaS market here. So Neo NetWeaver on demand. That time itself they have entered into the PaaS market. After that, 2013. So they have renamed this NetWeaver Cloud to HANA Cloud Platform. SAP HANA Cloud Platform here. They have entered into the cloud platform here, right? And also after that, after some years, they have the HCP. Normally, maybe you may heard about the HCP, HANA Cloud Platform. Then after that, so they have dropped HANA word. They have dropped HANA word. They have introduced some more functionalities, and so they have rebranded like a HANA SCP2. Then CP, like SAP CP here. HANA Cloud Platform. They have dropped this HANA word, and just it's kind of a cloud platform they have introduced here. SAP Cloud Platform here. So this cloud platform as a there is a brand here was officially There is a brand for SAP. After later, they have introduced the multiple tools, technologies, some analytical services, everything they are providing to the customers. Then, so some customers they are thinking like, okay, cloud platform, it's only applicable for the cloud only. The name is not better reflecting in the market. Why? Because they are providing all each and everything they are providing tools, technologies, databases, application, development tools, intelligence tools, everything they are providing. So, but the product name is SAP Cloud Platform, but it's not better reflecting. So that is the reason by 2021, SAP SAP, SAP Cloud Platform, the brand officially retired, and they have introduced the new brand. They have introduced a new brand called the BTP Business Technology Platform here. So it's not like it's a replacement of the cloud platform, SAP Cloud Platform originally. It's a just they have rebranded, and they are providing more tools. They are providing not only cloud related services, they are providing more than that they are providing here. They are providing more than that here. So what they are providing here, right? So as I mentioned here, right, there is a SAP Discovery Center here. In the SAP Discovery Center, in the Discovery Center, we can see the all the services, tools, and everything here. In the Discovery Center, we can see the all the tools and services here. That's what we can see it here, right? So Discovery Center, BTP services, we can see the all the services and everything here. So in the Discovery Center, so they are providing the see all the services you have here, whatever we have here, everything 86 services, 80 plus services they have available here. Job scheduling service and forms, ADS service here, event mess, so databases, so some of the development tools. So are these services and solutions they have categorized into five main pillars here. Are the solutions and services they have categorized into the five main solutions here. Five main solutions here. Sir, what are those five main solutions here? One is the so all the development related services will be in the application development. The second one is kind of a automation kind of functionalities here. The third one is like a integration rail of functionalities here. The fourth one is like a the and data and the analytics related functionalities here. The fifth one is like a the recently earlier we have only four main pillars in the BTP. The recently SAP introduced the AI related services also they have introduced in the BTP here. So that's why we have five main pillars in the BTP, five main pillars in the BTP here, right? Are these solutions and services are they are under the Discovery Center, SAP Discovery Center. Here you can see the all the solutions and services here, right? All the solutions and services will be in the here. So they are providing the databases also here, right? So some kind of like HANA Cloud, Sybase, DataSphere, Analytics Cloud, Analytics. So many things they are providing here. Just to pick up that service, then you can use it here. You no need to install the anything on the premises and everything here. So right. So same kind of functionalities they are providing here in the Discovery Center here, right? Discovery Center here, right? So that is the main these are the key components, these are the main key components in the rise with SAP. So it's a one of the part, it's a one of the BTP is one of the part here, right? BTP is a one of the part here. So nowadays we are seeing some of the customers they are moving from on premises ECC or S4 systems to the cloud involvement. They are going for the rise. What exactly it means or means they are going for the public cloud or private clouds. They are opting here, which means the rise here SAP will take care of everything here. If the customer is moving to the SAP cloud means rise means so everything SAP will take care of, including support, maintenance, hardware, everything. Just you need to pay for the license, regardless of the consumptions here. Regardless of consumption, you need to pay here. So what about the? I heard that there are the public cloud and private cloud also in the SAP side. What exactly it mean? The S4 HANA you see like there is a public cloud, S4HANA public cloud, and also there is a private cloud word also. I heard that one. Can you give some little bit highlights on this one here? Public cloud means the customer is moving to the from on-premise or some other cloud to public cloud means it's suitable for the business. There is fresh start, clean start. Who are starting the new business directly, they can use the S4 on a public cloud. They can use it here, and also they can standardize the process and everything. So while the private cloud offers more flexibility and the customization options, it's allowing for the system conversion from existing on-premise systems to the cloud here, which means public cloud means fresh start. So then the recommendation, the private cloud means the conversion, system conversion from existing ERP systems or on-premise systems to the cloud here. So let me go to the little bit more about the public cloud here. Fresh start, public cloud generally recommended for the new implementations that time, so they can go for the this one here. Suppose it's a well suited, and also there is a well suited for the business process here, less complex systems here. Why? Because it's a new build, right? And also faster implementations. Public cloud can offer the quicker implementation due to they have pre-configured solutions and their process are available. They can lower cost, continuous innovations and everything. Private cloud means, for my customer already in the ECC, they are going the rise with SAP means they can go for the rise. So that type of customers, the custom conversion time, private clouds allow you to system conversion, your existing ERP systems to the or S4HANA system, they can move to the cloud here. It's a flexibility, and also they have the maintenance. They have many other things are involved, budget and everything. That's why it's customers to choose it. Either they can go for the public cloud or they can go for the private cloud here. They can go for the public cloud or private cloud, they can go for here. The overall procedure here, they are the main five core pillars here. DB database management here, analytics, development related, integration, AI, ML solutions here, right? Sir, how they can work together here in the Rise with SAP and BTP here, right? So all are like it's not the current whatever the SAP team is providing, the not that type of the traditional licensing model. It's a subscription based licensing model here. So Rise with SAP is a subscription that bundles to move your S4 on a cloud here. In the SAP level, there is a cloud. You want to move all your systems to the S4HANA cloud, then you can use the Rise with SAP concept here. So Rise includes the limited the BTP credits also here, right? So the mainly the focus on the business transformation, and also it contains the tools and services and ERP also here. So if you are using the Rise with SAP to migrate from ECC to S4HANA cloud, you can use the BTP. The people should use the BTP also here. Why? Because it's one of the part in the Rise with SAP. So definitely, if they want to use the some create the Fiori applications to build the some custom extensions to integrate the some Salesforce, some other things, analytics and everything, definitely they should use the BTP services also here, right? So in the Rise with SAP, is it included ERP? Yes, the S4HANA cloud is included. So that is the main thing here, right? So they can also use the custom application development also using the BTP. They can use it here, right? Using the BTP, they can use this one here, right? A business, so they want to use the new business directly, they can use the Rise directly. They can contact SAP. They can use the Rise with SAP subscription panel. So what about the existing customers? Means they have to use the package is called the Rise with SAP concept. They have to use it. Everything they will move to the SAP here. So which means our scope of activities are getting reduced here. Our scope of activities are getting reduced here, right? In that, what we are going to discuss here as part of the close, this is the just high level. And what is BTP? It's a technology platform as a technology model, and all the bundled up services are available in the in one plate, in one umbrella, everything is available. Whatever the customer is required, they can pick up the service, they can start using for their businesses innovation purposes. So whatever they want, they can use it for this one here, right? So in that we discussed about the Rise with SAP, what the our team will do, and in that BTP we are discussing here, right? So coming to the our topic, so our topics here, some kind only administration related topics, and some topics are like a, so some topics are like a, so some DevOps related services here, some topics like a DevOps related services. The detailed, the course content I will share with everybody. So the who are there, I will share the course content to everybody. So you can just to see the course content as well. High level, what we are going to discuss here, the BTP, the BTP account structure, sub accounts, regions importance. So then what are the use cases by creating the subdomain sub cases here, environments concept, and also we are going to discuss about the CTMS cloud transports management, and also we will discuss about the BAS business application studio in the BTP, and also we are going to discuss about the business work zone. It's a very important concept, and also we are going to discuss about the cloud ALM and HANA cloud, and also so coming to the, these are the important environmental models, account model, licensing models. These are all the basics. It will come definitely. So then high level the applications. We are going to discuss about the ABAP environment, BTP. There is a ABAP environment that is also we are going to discuss here, and also we are going to discuss about the BTP, the security part like the IAS concept. Also we are discussing identity authorization service, and also the IPS concept also we are going to discuss for security related IPS provisioning service, right? So provisioning service is required some licensing. So that licensing, so that we'll see. So but authorization service, that we have the licensing is available, that we can discuss about the authorization service as also, that is also applicable, that we can discuss. So these are the security related. So BTP security related some topics also we are going to discuss here, and also the administration related topics also we are going to discuss here. And our classes will run daily 1 hour, daily 1 hour we will go on this one. And duration, overall duration, so 30 days max we can complete it here, 30 days. And also as part of the course you will get the server access to practice the, so server access to practice, and also recorded video session will be recorded, so recorded sessions will be get. And also the documentation, we have the documents repository is there, you will get the access to the document sessions. So these and all the things you will get it out. So yeah, so this is the course duration, and also the timings and the date that I will confirm soon. So readily there are some multiple parallel batches are running here. So that we will start it maybe max in 10 days or 1 week. We'll start the new batch as well. Okay. So this is about the overall high level plan which we are going to discuss here. Okay. Any questions, anyone?